sunlight bathes the garden as a tiny, vibrant bird lands on a feeder, its plumage a striking mix of yellow and blue. The bird's cheerful chirping fills the air with a sweet melody, a joyful sound that dances on the gentle breeze. Children pause their play, their faces lighting up with pure delight as they watch the colorful bird. Under a bright sky, children in the schoolyard are absorbed in their projects, their faces lit by concentration and the joy of creation. The air buzzes with youthful energy as they draw, write, and collaborate, occasionally glancing skyward with focused determination. Laughter mingles with the sounds of learning, echoing the freedom and joyful activity of birds soaring overhead. Under the sun, a bird dances in the sky. Below, the park bursts with life as children celebrate freedom after finishing school projects. Laughter echoes, blending with the birds' cheerful song as the children chase each other, their joy unrestrained. Looking up, they see their dreams mirrored in the bird's flight, a shared sense of accomplishment and freedom.